Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this beautiful 1968 Yamaha YCS1 C. This is Yamaha's 180cc two-stroke engine street bike. This bike has a clean California title, unknown mileage. This is not the original odometer on the bike. The 180cc two-stroke engine has the rare electric start. Not a lot of the street bikes in this era had electric start, kind of a unique feature. This bike has been completely restored. The top end was rebuilt 200 miles ago. This bike is nearly all stock and in great condition. This very rare Yamaha YCS1 C is offered at $35.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. You can reach us at 408-730-0600.